An important component that we integrate into almost every one of our systems is at the completion of picking, we want to validate that that order matched exactly the weight and cube and the contents are correct for that shipment before it goes into the final void fill packing. We do this with a technology we call Scanway Vision Audit. Scanway Vision Audit technology does exactly what it says. It looks at the carton's content, it takes a picture, a digital image of what's inside that carton, and it checks the weight to ensure it's within the tolerance expected that we just have implemented with the voice picking upstream. If it passes all of those parameters, it goes directly to packing. If it's outside of the weight tolerance, we'll reject that to a QC station where that carton will be audited. So it's all about preventing an error from getting out of the warehouse. That's a critical component to increase customer satisfaction and reduce costs of managing returns processes. And I think the typical error price now has gone up to almost $250 on average for a shipping error. So if we can prevent one or two of those a week, it's a huge benefit to the customer service and the profitability of the customer.
Contact Numina Group to automate your operation.